What's up, guys? Clay here at Mallard Motors, home on a $100 credit challenge. That's where we'll give you $100 in cash if we're unable to give you a credit approval. Got a new truck on the lot I'm going to show you real quick. 2010 model Chevy Avalanche LTZ, black in color. It's got a 5.3 liter V8. It's two-wheel drive. Got brand new headlights on the front. Got chrome plated grille, chrome Chevy emblem. You also got fog lights down there on the bottom. Four-door crew cab. You got chrome door handles, chrome trim on the body, chrome on the mirrors. You also got a roof rack on top and fixed running boards on both sides. You got decent tread left on the tires, and then you've got 22-inch chrome plated wheels. Got the color matched back bumper with parking sensors. You also got a towing package and a backup camera system, as well as a nice bed cover on top. Got keyless entry. Black leather interior, still in really great shape. Got air vents and radio controls for the back seat. Got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. And the front two seats, you've got both heated and cooled seats. And then the driver's seat has programmable memory, so you can save your settings. Both of the seats up front are fully power adjustable. Got 173,000 miles. Cruise control on the left of the steering wheel. Controls for the radio on the right. You've got a nice size touchscreen radio with built-in navigation. Here's that backup camera. You got dual climate control. You also have power adjustable pedals for the driver. And then bucket style seating up front. An aftermarket add-on to this, you've even got a safe here in the console. Alright, it's a real good looking truck, so if you're interested or you got any questions, please give me a call. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.